So last video I did for that history, what is the meaning of history and sources of history, and you learn for the basic knowledge about for the social science. In this video I am going to explain about for that dates in history. So here they considered about for BC. BC means before Christ, the number of the years before the time of Jesus Christ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಇಯರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 2000 years ago. So all dates before the birth of Christ are counted backwards. So you can see that backwards means now the years will go for that 2010, 2011, 2020, 2021, for like that is going now. But in those days before the Jesus Christ, the years went for that backwards. For example, 20 after 20 the 19, then after 19 18, for like that kind of years they considered in that before the Christ. But after that they considered for that all dates before and the birth of the Christ counted for the backwards. But now the historians use BCE and CE in place of BC and AD. BCE stands for before common era and CE means common era. So dates before the year of 1 CE are indicated by the use of BCE. The dates in BCE are always counted backwards from 0. This means that 80 BCE comes after 90 BCE. Next one, period. So in the history have divided the past into two main periods. First one prehistory and second one history. In the prehistory is very longest period of human evaluation before that invention of writing. In the prehistoric period is that part of the past which there are no written records. Then at this time the people not settled in one particular place. To understand prehistory, so ಈ prehistoryಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ, we can see the some things they used for some things, for example for the monuments, then buildings, then pots, then we can see some bones. So like that kind of things they considered and then they people considered about for that prehistory. So now the second one is that history is the period of past that comes after the invention of writing. Therefore for the historical period there are written records. Writing was in the form of seen that many letters, then people wrote in that pillars, rocks, then in the trees. For like that the people written in that leaves. For like that the people consider this started to writing in that natural things. So after that the historical period is often subdivided by the historians into ancient, medieval and modern period. So last video I did for that history, what is the meaning of history and sources of history, and you learn for the basic knowledge about